Watch this video and learn how to draw a blue bird.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Well.
Hello, Artie. Welcome our guests.
Welcome to Artie's show.
We're happy to have all the little artists here.
Yeah.
Ready to draw?
Yeah.
Ready to draw a bird?
Oh, yeah.
Then let's make some art.
Yeah. Let's make art. Let's make art. Yeah.
Hey there, Betty.
Hello, Mikey.
Hey, little artists.
Let's get going, Artie. Let's start with a little black circle on the left side of the page and then draw a larger circle around that. Now, let's draw a half circle around that eye. Not a whole circle, Artie, just half. Artie loves drawing birds, don't you, Artie?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's draw a big curvy shape down from the end of our half circle. Now let's draw a sideways V shape. That's going to be our bird's beak.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Well, it's going to be a bird, Mikey. You'll see. Just keep watching. Artie, you might be drawing too quick. Louis?
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now we're going to draw the top of the bird's forehead. A little S shape, and then come back down again. That's the feather on the top of his head. That's right, Artie, let's do another feather. Come back down.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Let's draw the bird's back with a big curved line. That's it. And now how about a tail feather? Draw a line going all the way up and then curve back down a little bit. Now let's draw 3 little curve shapes. 1, 2, and a little one at the bottom. 3.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Well, Mikey, I don't know if it's the best day of your life, but I'm very happy that you're having a fun day today, watching Artie draw. You want a joke break? Okay, Mikey, you're on.
All right, welcome back to the Comedy Club. I'm your host, Mikey Marker. In case you don't know, I'm the star of the Artie show. Just don't tell Artie. All right, let's start it off with some jokes about animals. So, why did the leopard stop playing hide and seek? It's because he's always spotted. All right. What do you call a pig that does karate? A poke chop. All right, what kind of sandals do frogs wear? Open-toed.
Open-toed?
I didn't get that one.
I'll explain it to you later, Betty. Let's draw a big curve for the tummy of our bird. And then carry on up to the tip of his wings. I think it's time to give our bird some legs. 2 straight lines and 3 little V shapes. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the other leg now, Artie. Same thing. 2 straight lines and 3 little V shapes. Perfect. Now, what should we have him standing on? How about the branch of a tree? Yes, that'll work. Draw a straight line, angled up. Make sure you stop where the legs are, and then go off at a different angle, just like the branch of a tree does.
I met Bob Ross once in a parking lot.
Now let's do some little twigs with leaves on the end. 1 leaf. 2 leaves. 3 leaves.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
Let's draw another 3 leaves on the end of the branch. This is looking finished. Oh, 4 leaves, Artie. Okay.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
I love the way you used the 2 different colours of blue, Artie. He came out so good.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, thank you for watching, little artists. And remember to have an arty day. Bye-bye.